I now have some myths which you need to clear out for us, some doubts which are in many people's minds. Firstly, will I go blind? Is it very painful? Or do I have to do it after every 10 years? So these are things which
Yes.
People have in the back of their mind when they hesitate to do a LASIK. So would you clear that for us?
Yes. So
our viewers?
it is, nobody has been blinded as of now. So that phase of fear went away long after doing millions. There is no operation that has been done on the human body more than LASIK. Because if you were to talk about an operation like tonsils, appendix, nobody had a million procedures of appendix,
Yes.
or million procedures a year. In the last 10 years, 10 million. So if there was such a bad side effect, it would come out. It's not. In foreign countries, you have ambulance chasing lawyers who are waiting for such things to happen. So it has not happened. So such a devastating
numbers are
complication,
proof, yeah.
numbers are proof. Devastating complication is not there. It is not painful, though we don't, the patient is not sedated. As you know, you got it done, just eye drops, which anesthetize the eye, and it takes about 3 minutes per eye. So it's not a long thing, you just tolerate for 3 minutes and it's done. And yes, a part of the number could come back over 10 years, 15 years. So one has to be realistic that it may not be perfect solution. But if you're 20, you're -8, you can't even see anything. You know, if you're cured and after 8 years, 10 years, -1 comes back, your whole number doesn't come back.
Okay.
But you could get 10%, 15% coming back. If you have to wear a -1 when you want to see far clearly or something, a lot of people are quite comfortable with it. There's no need to hide that from the patient, you know, in the fear that you lose a patient.
Yes.
The patient would be very happy to get rid of all his number for even 5-10 years at the cost of 10% of the number coming back, you know, over some time. In 20% of the patients, 80% it doesn't even come back.
Okay.
So there's no way to predict your luck. Will you fall in the 80% or the 20%?